Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the essentials ready. Sign in on your Xbox and make sure the console has the latest system update so apps run smoothly. Once done, confirm which Google account you'll use and verify YouTube Music access or premium status because casting and background play depend on it. Next, open the Microsoft Store on Xbox to search for any official YouTube or compatible app. This first step places you where the app installation or casting pair can begin immediately. You'll either install the YouTube app on Xbox or use casting from your phone. Start by installing and updating the YouTube app on the console so the interface supports playback. If YouTube Music isn't native, open YouTube Music on your phone and choose Cast or Play on TV, selecting your Xbox from the device list. Make sure both phone and Xbox are on the same Wi-Fi network, and that the YouTube app on each device is signed into the same Google account for seamless control. You'll finalize by starting a track and confirming audio plays through the Xbox. You can control play, skip, and volume from your phone or the console. Once playback works, enable background audio or minimize the app so music continues while gaming. If you encounter problems, restart the YouTube app in your Xbox and make sure both devices have current app versions. If that fails, double-check network connectivity and that you're signed into the correct Google account. That single mismatch often blocks casting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.